Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can transfer your photo or video from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. First thing, you want to go on App Store and you want to search for this app called Share It. So click on search and search for Share It. Once you search for Share It, the Share It app is going to be shown at the top. As you guys can see, this is the app. I have already downloaded it, but you need to download it. And make sure you download it both on your Android and iPhone. Once it's downloaded on both in device, open up your Share It. Once you open up Share It, if you want to send your contact from this phone, then you want to click on send and choose the photo or anything you want to send from over here. As you guys can see, you can even go on contact. So I just want to send a photo, so I will click a photo and click on send. And in order for me to send this on an Android, I need to click on connect to Android at the bottom. Once I click on it, the QR will open up. Now in the Android, I need to open up the Share It app as well, just like this. I'm opening it up. And on the Share It app, you want to go on receive, and on Share It, this thing will open up. Now click on the three dot at the top, click on connect to iOS, and it's going to show you a QR code. Once you see the QR code, you can scan it over here and it should work. So yeah, that's how you guys can send from iPhone to Android or from Android to iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.